The Portland Bureau of Transportation, known as PBOT, will break ground in early 2022 on the Southwest 4th Avenue Improvement Project in downtown Portland. This project represents PBOT's commitment to build streets that work for everyone, regardless of how they get around. It will extend from south of I-405 at Southwest Sheridan Street and follow 4th Avenue North through downtown to the Chinatown Gate at West Burnside Street. This animated video will guide you through what these improvements will look like. Look for new ADA curb ramps and curb extensions, a new bus lane and a transit island, a new northbound bike lane, new signals, and much safer, more accessible crossings for pedestrians and people biking. All this in fresh pavement too, so no more potholes. This project is part of PBOT's Central City in Motion plan and is funded by Fixing Our Streets, the voter-approved 10-cent gas tax. Let's take a closer look. We start our journey north on 4th Avenue near Southwest Broadway and Carruthers Street, just south of I-405. Note how the bike lane will transition here from the right side of the street to the left, crossing the intersection diagonally using a bicycle traffic signal. People biking will then be separated and protected from traffic by the line of parked cars. Buses will have their own signal at the intersection to make its transition to a new bus and turn lane on the left side of 4th Avenue. The bus and turn lane will start just south of Carruthers Street. Here, vehicles can use the bus and turn lane to turn left into streets or driveways, while buses may continue straight forward through the intersection. Another big improvement will be new traffic signals, like this one at Southwest College Street. PBOT will install a bike signal here too, giving people biking extra time to cross the intersection and reduce conflicts with turning vehicles. PBOT will add bike signals like this one at Clay, Jefferson, Taylor, and Burnside Streets. And here, as throughout the project, you'll notice new curb ramps or curb extensions which comply with the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, making this entire corridor safer and more accessible for everyone. As we approach Hall Street, notice the new transit island we'll build here. 1 block north, between Harrison and Montgomery Streets, the bike lane will be at sidewalk level to avoid the Portland streetcar tracks. Then, at Montgomery Street, people biking will return to the protected bike lane at street level. The bus and turn lane ends at Mill Street. Both vehicles and buses in the left lane must turn here. Now let's look at the improvements we're building north of Mill Street. In addition to more ADA-compliant curb ramps, we'll be extending the curb in some places to make the crossing distance shorter and safer for pedestrians. We will also upgrade our traffic signals, replace streetlights, construct inlets for stormwater runoff, and then repave and restripe the entire street. You will notice we keep several right turn lanes on 4th Avenue to make it easier to get to bridges over the Willamette River. The Southwest 4th Avenue Improvement Project ends at West Burnside Street in Old Town/Chinatown. People biking can continue north on 4th Avenue or turn safely onto Burnside. Crossing the street will be easier for pedestrians here too, with new ADA curb ramps and curb extensions that shorten the distance of the crossing. Thank you for watching this visualization of the Southwest 4th Avenue Improvement Project in downtown Portland, part of PBOT's Central City in Motion plan and funded by Fixing Our Streets, the voter-approved 10-cent gas tax. For more information or to sign up for updates, visit portland.gov/transportation/SW-4th.